The Joint Operations Command (JOC) has warned of mass unrest driven by catastrophic decline of the local currency, the ZiG. Sanabina mashkando chinogwa pana upload wa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tivena naone Ramira Chiti. This came from an urgent JOC meeting on Friday that discussed the effects of the devalued ZiG. This follows a week of economic chaos that has seen businesses teeter on the brink of closure and the public growing increasingly restless. The JOC, which comprises the heads of Zimbabwe security apparatus, the Central Intelligence Organization (CIO), Zimbabwe National Army, Air Force of Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe Republic Police, and Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services, met on Friday to assess the deteriorating situation. Sources from within the high-level meeting report growing panic within the military leadership, particularly over rising discontent among junior and middle-ranking soldiers whose salaries have been decimated by the currency collapse. There is serious disgruntlement, especially from junior and middle management in the army. These are the most dangerous factions, as they are in a position where they could spearhead a coup, one source revealed. The JOC is expected to brief President Emerson Mnangagwa today, where they will recommend an immediate abandonment of the ZiG in favor of dollarization to prevent further economic free fall and avoid a recession. The collapse of the ZiG last week was formally acknowledged by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe when it admitted that the currency had lost nearly all of its value. The central bank's decision to devalue the currency against the US dollar sparked widespread shockwaves, triggering closure and mass layoffs across various industries. Noma shwarura pana pationa kuti aiwa zvinomira zvakanaka mukaona vakomana ava vagara pasi, vakomana vezRP, vakomana intelligence, vakomana vearmy, vakomana veair force, vamuri kuona kuti aiwa vanogara pasi vachinokuda kwokuti vari kuziva kuti vanhu havati kutungamirira aiwa vane stiff resistance, inoda kwokuti havasi kuva satisfied nemuguri yavari kuwana, zvari kuti vakomana vakasangojambuka anytime vakati kunsikinala ikupu. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi kana comment section medu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell.